If you are from a Hindi medium background, you will understand this problem. We study English for years, but we still scared to speak. Why does this happen? We will discuss this later in this video. Before we move forward, please ignore my voice. Today I am under the weather. I am having cold, so I am unable to speak. But still, I am recording the video so that I can stay consistent with my English learning journey and content creation. Because today I have to upload the video on my channels. That's why I'm recording uh, after being ill. So please ignore my voice. Now move forward. Hello everyone, my name is Ankit and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. As most of you know that I am a working professional. Apart from my job, whatever free time I get, I try to utilize it to learn English and become a fluent speaker in 2026. I am learning English step by step. I share my real journey on this YouTube channel so that we can improve together and become a fluent speaker. Today, I want to talk about the real problems that most of the Hindi medium students face to speak English. So the first problem is English was a subject, not a language. In our schooling was in Hindi medium, in our schools, English was always taught as a subject, not a language. We memorized answers and wrote them down in sorry. We memorized answers and wrote them down in exams. We learned grammar rules, but we never spoke. That is why English we are able to understand English, but we can't speak because we have never done spoken practice. The second problem is environment problem. As a Hindi medium student, I have also faced this problem because in our home we speak Hindi, with friends we speak Hindi, so our brain never gets speaking practice, English speaking practice. We always speak in Hindi. That is why we are unable to speak. The third problem is overthinking grammar. That we should have a deep grammar knowledge to speak English. But this is not right. I'm not saying that you should not know the grammar rules. You must know. But the basic grammar rules, how to form basic sentences, just and to speak English, you need not to learn deep grammar rules that are useful for competitive exams. You just need basic grammar, how to form sentences, and a basic knowledge of tenses, present, past, future. That's it. You will be able to speak in English. And another problem is fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of people laughing, fear of being judged. We know words even if we don't speak because of fear. Even if we know words, that's why we are not able to speak. So we will have to give up this fear of making mistakes and move forward to speak. And the last but not the least problem is translation problem. What we do, we translate first in Hindi, then we translate into English. This slows down our speed, and that's why we become nervous and we can't speak fluently. So you can overcome this problem by practicing every day. The solution is very simple and powerful. Speak every day, even it is for 5 minutes. I have many times told you that speak every day for 5 minutes to become fluent. If you don't know what to speak, I have told in my previous video that is describe your day, describe the situations that you go through every day in your life, while going to office, going to college, or if you are homemaker, working in the kitchen. Describe all the situations that you go through. You will become a fluent speaker. And if you are from a Hindi medium background, if you are learning English like me, then subscribe this YouTube channel and join my journey to become fluent speaker. Let's learn together, grow together, and become fluent speaker. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Keep learning, keep practicing. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.